Hello everyone and welcome to the Tour of France in French cursive calligraphy. What I'm going to do this year is follow the cyclists along each stage of the tour, and you're going to just see me write in French cursive calligraphy the names of the start city and the destination city. So today being stage 1, the very first day, our cyclists are beginning in Florence. They're going to do 206 kilometers and they're going to be on quite a hilly run today. There are a number of passes that they're going to go through, or hills. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, they're really going to do quite a bit of climbing, apparently 3,600 meters altogether today. So as you watch me do the calligraphy, you see that I'm using a parallel pen. I'm using a 3mm parallel pen for this whole trip.